You would think there is a shower head in heaven.
Utafikiria kwamba kuna mahali ya kunyeshea mvua mbinguni.
Let me ask you, who is it that can call God to come down to him at a particular place? It has finally happened. Oh, Jehovah Yahweh, my friend. You have now sat under the cloud of God the Father. If a prophet pronounces something,
Anatangaza kitu,
when that thing happens,
kitu kitendeke.
you must fear that man.
Lazima mwogope huyo nabii.
He has done it.
Ameitenda.
He has come.
Amekuja.